So Mary, where are we currently?
Oh my gosh. Okay, so heading back home, we see the traffic on the GPS. There's like how many? 3, 4 accidents?
Like 4 accidents.
4 accidents on the 15, and the delay is over 2 hours now. So we are being rescued by the Oasis RV Resort.
Yeah, so we might kill 2 birds with 1 stone and do an episode here while we're at it.
Might as well. If you're coming to Vegas in an RV or fifth wheel, Oasis is the place to stop.
Yep. Mary, where are we headed to now?
We're going into the diner that's just inside. I'm not sure if it's a diner or a restaurant.
Yeah, it's a little diner restaurant that they have inside. We're going with our friend Justin here. Isn't that right? Say hi to the people in Flingville. Come with the paper menus, front and back.
Well, it's afternoon, I think, so no longer breakfast is available.
You got tots and a what?
This is the grilled chicken sandwich, which came highly recommended. It's on a crispy grilled bun that was a bit, I guess, pressed. And
Tots. Yes, I got the fish and chips with tots. Looks like a fried mess. Justin got what?
A
fried chicken.
deformed chicken sandwich. Tater tots.
And a pickle.
Yep.
Nice. So, one of the things that we like about this particular place is the fact that it's very secure. And in Las Vegas, you definitely want security. We've had too many things stolen from other RV parks. And so, if you're coming here, this is a great place to do it. Somebody with a Texas flag, you gotta love it. So this is, you have a lot of pull-in spaces. You got a lot of back-end spaces. And there are a lot of places to park here. So you will have plenty. They have it set up in a tier system. So you have by the pool, which is premium. Then you have right behind that, which is the next ones. And then you have kind of like the back lot. The back lot around here is pretty far out. As you can see, you have some mature trees, which are very nice for shade, especially in the summer. You have some gravel, you have some grass. You have both 30 and 50 amp plugs. You have dump, and you have water. Now I want to show you what they also have here. It's a bit of a dog park, so you can bring your dogs here. But it's on the entrance, but you could also take them out to this area here. So this has horseshoes and picnic tables and all that. So there's a lot you can do. So again, you have some horseshoe pits out here, which is always great. And there's me, the shadow with the umbrella. The grass is very plush. The sprinklers come on at about 6 a.m. in the morning. So you're gonna make sure your chairs are up, or otherwise they will get soaked. Anything you leave outside will get soaked. They have multiple putting greens. as well, which is very unique. They do a good job here. You also have a full laundry room, folding tables, as well as dryers. Very cool. You have showers on the outside. Very solid. There is a gate code here to get into the pools. Whenever you're here, you cannot bring anything in to the pool area that is glass. We have a very large patio area out here with both patio seating, which is really nice, multiple high tops. Very nice. Down below you have sand, kind of a sandy beach area with a large family-sized pool. Oh no. So there's a lot of people here today.
I know.
Let's get in the pool.
Well, that one's up on the side.
Oops, sorry. And Justin living on his phone.
Hey man, trying to secure myself.
Well, we won't be using that on this episode.